Hello, Ovimar here. So today I'm going to be talking to you about how to place bets on 86Z. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button just below the video. And if you're new, also click the bell notification icon so that anytime I drop new videos, you can be notified. Now, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description page of this video somewhere here, that arrow facing downwards. Please click on it. I'm going to leave the link to the 86Z website. That's my link. Please go use it and register and then fund your account. I'm also going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description page of the video. Please reach out to me after you have registered, and then I'll show you how to fund your account. It is important that you fund your account because not funding your account is as good as not even registering. You only enjoy the profits and be a part of the fun when you fund your account. A lot of people come to my DMs asking me to add them to the chat group because they registered. Registering is not enough. You need to register, and then after that, you fund your account because you need funds in your wallet or in your balance to be able to place bets. Without further ado, let's get into this video. This video is specifically for those who have registered, who have funded their accounts, and they want to learn how they can place a bet. For those who do not know, the Principal Protection Plan is a data that is sent from 86Z to as many who are interested in it, and they place their bets according to the data in the plan. So when you place your bets according to the data in the plan, you do not lose your money. You are under protection, like it's insured. So even if the match loses, your capital will be refunded to you. So let me show you just how to place a bet using the protection plan. Stay with me, don't go away. Okay, welcome everyone to 86Z. In this video, I'm going to be showing to you how to place a bet. All right, so once you register with my link and then you deposit or you fund your account, I'm going to be adding you to a group. All right, and in that group, we'll receive what we call updates. Updates is simply a flyer that contains the predictions, the scores that you'll be entering for your bet. So let me take you to the chat so you see how the update looks like. Now today there's a match that hasn't been played yet and the update has been sent. So let me just show you how to enter that. It comes in this form. This is a flyer right here. This is a flyer, and you can see some details in it. All right, so you can see second plan, Principal Protection Plan. You can see Nigeria versus Ghana, the time, which is 1800, and then the betting score, which is 0.3, and then the profit margin, which is 1.05%. Now, these are the details you're going to need to enter your bet. Having seen this, what do? You go to your 86Z app. So here we are on our 86Z app. So what do? I'll go to this menu at the bottom here called the match list. I'll click on it. All right. After I click on it, you will see a set of matches displayed here. So just to confirm and make sure, just to ensure you do not make mistakes, go back to your chat room where we came from the first time, the chat group, and then check out that information again, the update. Look at it just to confirm the score. So we have Nigeria versus Ghana. What time is it playing? I would like you to go check out the time first. The time is 1800, which in Nigerian, which is also known as 6 o'clock. So come to your app. Now look to the right, these sections here. You're going to see time there and the date. Okay, today's date is 29 and the time is 1800. So here we have 29, a set of 29. That's the date, but the time doesn't correspond yet. This is 1730 for the first one. So you keep scrolling until you get to 1800. Now we're here at 1800, the first one here, but look at the name of the match. It's not Nigeria here. What we have here is Norway. So scroll down until you get to Nigeria versus Ghana, which is the second one here, and that is what we have on our of the update again. So you see Nigeria versus Ghana. So that's it. Go back to your app and then click on this menu here, Nigeria versus Ghana. Right, so click on Nigeria versus Ghana, this spot here, and then what does it bring to you? It will bring out a prediction of score lines. These are odds. Okay, so from this you're going to pick. Now you're not going to pick just anyone. You're going to pick the one that tallies with the update in our chat room. So now we are here. Let's confirm. Is it Nigeria versus Ghana? Yes. So let's go back and check the prediction and the profit margin. If you look to the middle of the rows here, you see make a profit. Okay. Now let's go check. If we check our update again, yes, from our update, you can see the time is 1800. What's the betting score? The score is 0.3 and the profit is 1.05. Let's go and check if it tallies. So the score line is what? 0.3, which is this you have here, 0.3. Check the profit margin, which is the middle row here, like this. What does it say? It says where you have 0.03, you also have 1.05%. That means this is the bet we're going to take. Now look to the right of this bet here. You're going to see place a bet. Okay, so click on, don't click any other one of these. What matches our update? So click place a bet. Now once you've done this, you're going to confirm your details again. Is it Nigeria versus Ghana? Yes. Is the score line 0.3 as we saw in our update? Yes. Is the profit line 1.05? The profit line is here. Look at it. Yes, 1.05. So that means that this is we are so far putting the correct data. The only thing that is left for us to fill now is the amount we want to trade with. Now, what you will do here is you come to the gear icon, this button here, this one that looks like a wheel. So here, and then you click on all. Immediately you click on all the money you have in your available balance. Your available balance, the money will show up here. All the money you have in the available balance will be transferred into this spot here where you have the cursor blinking. Mine is showing 0 because I already placed a bet with all my money. Now, why do you have to click all? You click all so that all the money in your balance will enter this place. Why do you have to do that? You have to bet all your money so that it can bring you a higher profit. Okay, so that's how you place your bet. Now, after you've clicked all, the next thing you want to do is click confirm at the bottom here. Okay, click confirm. Once you click confirm, it will show you two options: want to continue trading or want to go back to your transaction. So you click go back to transaction. It will now take you to your trade list. Let me show you where the trade list. It will automatically take you here to your trade list. So once you click go back, it will come here and show you this information right here. Okay, so right now this is the bet I have placed. So after the match is done, the money will be returned to your balance. Right now the money is in unsettled balance, so the money will return to your balance, so you have won the bet. I hope this video is clear. Okay, so for as many who have registered with my link and you have funded your account, please follow this video, follow the instruction on this video to place your bets. Now, like I said earlier, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscription button just below the video, and also click the bell notification icon so that anytime I drop new videos, you can be notified. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number and my link in the description page of this video, somewhere down there. The icon, the triangle facing downwards, please click on it. You will find my details there. Follow them and reach out to me. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have fun.